it is very exciting because it is a very unique Jarvis, not like the others you will find on YouTube, because it has many features. First of all, it is Lady Jarvis, which is very good. So it has many features, uh, including sending emails, many more features I've added in it. So let's see the demo.
Good evening. Hello sir, I am your digital assistant JAR.v.i.s, the Lady Jarvis. How may I help you?
Open YouTube. Open YouTube.
Okay. Next command. Sir.
Open Google. Open Google.
Okay. Next command. Sir.
Play music.
Okay, here is your music. Enjoy. Next command. Sir.
What is a dog?
Searching. Wolframalpha says. Got it. Kingdom Animalia, animals. Phylum Chordata, chordates. Class Mammalia, mammals. Order Carnivora, carnivores. Family Canidae, coyotes, dogs, foxes, jackals, and wolves. Genus Canis. Species Canis lupus, grey wolf. Next command. Sir.
What is the weather forecast for today in Varanasi, India?
Searching. Wolframalpha says. Got it. Between 17 degrees C and 26 degrees C. Clear, all day. Next command. Sir.
X plus 10 equals 912.
Searching. Wolframalpha says. Got it. X equal 902. Next command. Sir.
Bye Jarvis. Take a rest.
Searching. Got it. Wikipedia says. Anna Marie Jarvis, May 1, 1864 – November 24, 1948, was the founder of the Mother's Day holiday in the United States. Her mother had frequently expressed a desire for the establishment of such a holiday, and after her mother's death, Jarvis led the movement for the commemoration. Next command. Sir.
Stop. Abort.
Okay. Bye sir, have a good day.
So now that was fantastic. What I forgot to tell you is how to send emails with this program that I've made. So let's say send email.
Good evening. Hello sir, I am your digital assistant JAR.v.i.s, the Lady Jarvis. How may I help you?
Send email.
Who is the recipient?
Me.
What should I say?
Hello, I am Jarvis.
Email sent.
That was hilarious. So now we have seen a demo. Now I'll explain everything to you. So these are the dependencies here. Now these dependencies do require installing, and I'll send the link on how to install them in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. And this is the these are the settings for our Jarvis app. Now this here is the speech engine you want to use. Now Windows has only one speech engine, which will be depending on the version, SAPI 5 or SAPI 4. Now this here is the client ID. After using this, I'll delete this client ID after this video so that you cannot use it. Now for getting this client ID, you have to go to wolframalpha.com and then register there. I have made a video on how to do this. You will get it in the I button above or in the end of this video as annotations. So here I've set the voice. Now my operating system had only one voice, so I installed many other voices. I have over 9 voices now. I've also made a video on how to do that in my channel. I'll get a link of that too, maybe in the descriptions or in the end of this video. I have made a speak function here which speaks the command that you give it to speak, and this is a greet me function. Now if you don't understand this here if current hour. Now current hour is a variable that I have used for the getting the current hour. Now you can see this is the current hour variable, and this is the date time module I have used. So it gets the date time from the date time and now, and then from now it gets the hour, which is a integer, but to make sure I convert it in an integer so that we can compare the hours. Here is the condition: if the current hour is greater than or equal to 0, which means that there's good morning, and like so we have afternoon and evening. After this I have called the greet me function here. Now when we open it, it says, hello sir, I'm your digital assistant Lavis, the lady Jarvis, and it also says, how may I help you. So for getting the command from the user, I have made this function which uses speech recognition, and I have called this function my command. You can call it anything such as my query, get my command, or anything else. Then after that I have done some coding here. If you want to change the listening time, uh, the time of listening, for how much longer it listens to you, you can change this constant here, pause threshold. One is the best one because that's how you want to get in Jarvis, not too much. Then it tries, if if it is successful in recognizing your voice, then it prints your voice, and then if it is unsuccessful, it will request you to type the command that you want to return to it. So this here is the code for getting the command from us and getting it in the computer. And then if you don't know what this if name equals main is, it is a variable name for the file, and main is also a variable for the file. So what it does is, if you open the file directly, not by importing it in another Python script, then it will do this, all of this. While true, it is a forever loop if you don't know. And in the forever loop, which means it will repeat this forever loop until we say break. So here this is a query variable which stores our command. Therefore I've said my command, and then it query.lower, which means it lowers it to all the alphabets to lowercase, which means all the alphabets are small, none of them are capital if you have given it any capital, so that we can compare it with ease. So you can add as much commands as you want, but you have to take one thing in mind, and that is the first command will start with if and the other commands will start if elif. The last command, which I have set on purpose this here, because if none of these commands are matching commands, then it will automatically search the command from the internet and return it to you. If it failed to get the command from wolframalpha, which is here, then it will return the query to the Wikipedia API, and then if it failed to get the output from there, 2, then it will open Google in your default browser so that you can search your query. Then at last, when the command is executed, it says next command sir, and then the whole loop starts again, and this whole process continues until you say bye, which we have used sys.exit. Instead of this you can also say break, but I don't want it. That was better. So when it says hello, when you say hello, it says hello sir. For play music, I've used this. So this is the path of my music folder. You can add yours path, and this is the name. These are the names of my musics that the computer will choose randomly, and this is the final path which I have made using joining the music folder path and then getting a random choice from this array to generate the path of the music that the computer has selected, that .mp3, and this is for playing it. os.system, which is for playing it. You can also do it using the play sound module, but this is easier. Random music os.system, and then after that, as you have seen, it speaks okay, here is the music, enjoy. And after that it again gets to next command. So you can add more commands if you want. I have done only these commands. Now all the code that I am showing to you is available on GitHub, and I have posted the link in the description below. If you are interested, you can get it. It is pretty cool. And remember, for speech recognition you should have uh, an internet connection, and for these other APIs too. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Goodbye YouTubers.